Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Optus Wi-Fi modem. First, carefully unbox your new Optus modem and all its accessories. Next, find an ideal spot in your home for the modem. It should be in a central location, away from large electronic devices like televisions or speakers, and at least 1 to 1.5 meters off the ground for optimal signal. Make sure it's also close to a power outlet. Now, let's connect the cables. Plug the modem's power adapter into the modem and then into a wall power socket, ensuring the power is switched on. If you have an NBN connection box, use the white cable with red plugs to connect the modem's red WAN port to the UNID 1 port on your NBN box. For fiber to the node or fiber to the building connections, use the gray telephone cable to link the modem's DSL port to your NBN wall socket. With the cables connected, it's time to power on your modem. Press the power button, usually located on the back or side. Allow about 2 minutes for the modem to fully power up and establish a connection to the network. You'll know it's ready when the internet light on the front of the modem displays a solid green or blue color, indicating a successful connection. Finally, connect your devices. You can find your Wi-Fi network name and password on a sticker on the modem itself or on the Quick Connect magnet provided. Simply select your network on your device and enter the password. For a wired connection, use an Ethernet cable to plug your device into one of the yellow LAN ports on the modem. For further assistance, download the My Optus app for guided setup and troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.